Hi. It's time to learn about sea animals. Fish, shark, dolphin, whale, octopus, crab, lobster, jellyfish, seal, turtle, starfish, clam, squid, seahorse, penguin, shrimp. Your turn. This is a fish. Fish. This is a shark. Shark. This is a dolphin. Dolphin. This is a whale. Whale. This is an octopus. Octopus. This is a crab. Crab. This is a lobster. Lobster. This is a jellyfish. Jellyfish. This is a seal. Seal. This is a turtle. Turtle. This is a starfish. Starfish. This is a clam. Clam. This is a squid. Squid. This is a seahorse. Seahorse. This is a penguin. Penguin. This is a shrimp. Shrimp. Let's review. What sea animal is this? Seal. What sea animal is this? Penguin. What sea animal is this? Turtle. What sea animal is this? Shark. What sea animal is this? Lobster. What sea animal is this? Starfish. What sea animal is this? Octopus. What sea animal is this? Shrimp. What sea animal is this? Clam. What sea animal is this? Fish. What sea animal is this? Seahorse. What sea animal is this? Squid. What sea animal is this? Whale. What sea animal is this? Crab. What sea animal is this? Jellyfish. What sea animal is this? Dolphin. Let's review. I see a seal. This. I see a starfish. This. I see a seahorse. This. I see an octopus. This. I see a fish. This. I see a crab. This. I see a penguin. This. I see a dolphin. This. I see a clam. This. I see a lobster. This. I see a shrimp. This. I see a shark. This. I see a squid. This. I see a turtle. This. I see a whale. This. I see a jellyfish. This. Last review. Fish. Shark. Dolphin. Whale. Octopus. Crab. Lobster. Jellyfish. Seal. Turtle. Starfish. Clam. Squid. Seahorse. Penguin. Shrimp. Good job. Bye.